Alright, today we are out with my buddy. We're gonna go cruising and see what we can get into. I'm gonna go ahead and let him lead. My mirror's loose and it won't stay in place, so I can't see behind me. Today's an absolutely beautiful day outside. It's a good 80 degrees all day. The sun's starting to go down now. I've been riding about all day, really. I figured I'd wait to start recording until my boy right here, he got up with us, so that way it'd make it a little bit more eventful. I actually recorded earlier, but that's just going to be throwaway footage. It was kind of boring. This should be pretty interesting for you guys. Hopefully, maybe, possibly, probably not. Actually, you're probably not even going to watch this. But yeah, man, he's out here on his cruiser. We are gonna just see what we get into, man. Why is this man in PTs? Oh, why are they wearing PT belts, bro? What the fuck? I'm colorblind. Don't judge me. I thought I seen black at first. It was blue. You got this, man. I also gotta like calculate. No, not calculate. I gotta like figure out what level of volume I need to do for my talking. So that way I'm not like drowning out, or I'm not to where you guys can barely hear me, and I'm also not to where I'm like fucking with the mic, because how loud I'm talking, you know? I don't know where he's wanting to go. Left? Straight. I'm gonna get these stoppies down. I'm gonna get these stoppies down. Man, we got a whole group going right now. Gonna be able to hear me, but let's talk about this whole coronavirus thing. So you're either on team A, it's literally not a big deal and it's being overhyped, or team B, we're all gonna fucking die. I'm on team A, but like I understand why people are kind of scared. You're elderly and your infants, your children and stuff, they're at risk. They can actually die from it, you know. It's kind of a big deal for them, but like you gotta like realize like the reason they're doing this quarantine is so that way they can slow down the spread. At this point, it spreads so much you cannot stop it, you know. So it's gonna be a thing that it works through the process. Like it goes, people get it and they'll lose it, and eventually there will be a vaccine. And at that point, once there's the vaccine, then we can make progress. But until then, it's just gonna keep spreading. So they're trying to put in the quarantine to slow down the process. Really, you gotta understand both sides. You can't just be one-sided on it, in my opinion.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win. yeah. LA BB who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit
I still don't know the best way around this town, and I've lived here for like 2 years. I've been here at this post for 3 years, but one of those years, I guess we're going. One of those years, I was stationed at I was in Korea for one of those years. Well, for 9 months, but still. Swiggity swag, I'm really sad. But honestly, I'm debating whether to upload this video about Friday or if I want to just upload it tonight. I don't want to like upload a video on top of another one and like one of them get overshadowed, you know? Like I want to give each one a period of time to get viewed, if anyone even views it. I wouldn't probably, but anyways, I want to give each one like a little period of time to get viewed, but I also just want to kind of get it edited and get it thrown out there, man. Get more content in the internet verse. I gotta clear my visor. There's like 82 dead bugs on it. You said what? The fucking gnats out here are insane, man. And oh man. Alright. It works. And then squeegee. Oh, that didn't work. Oh shit. I about dumped it. My foot was on a wet spot. Oh god.
I've been playing solo today, so like once I got on here, no.
It was like, whoa, this is different.
I didn't get me a dirt bike.
Yeah, I want to get a KTM.
I don't care what I get. That's the one stuff I got. That shit was fun.
I'm gonna run inside and get an energy drink real quick.
Yeah.
Alright, we are back, and where is he? Oh, shit. I'm stupid, my bad. Hey. No, turn. Why was he so confused right there? This area's new. I can't say I've ever been back here. It's crazy how you can live in an area for so long and you turn down one road and all of a sudden it's a whole new area. It's a dead end. Alright, so, alright, bye everybody. This is where Gunski dies. Hell yeah. Made the turtle sitting down. That is lit the fuck up. They like lights. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, fuck. Yo, that house is beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the video right here. I hope it was somewhat enjoyable, maybe. If not, then I mean, fuck, try again another time. But I'm gonna end it right here because I can't record going through the gate, and there should be another video up tonight, or maybe tomorrow. It just depends on how my computer wants to act. Alright, like and subscribe, y'all. Thanks. Bye.